Welcome back to another overview. So we're going to do tumble dryers. So now to the Grundig 8 kilogram A plus class advanced heat pump GTN38240GCW. Okay. So it has an 8 kilogram drum. Sorry. It's the same as Becco and Blom. So we're going to start with program 6, 2 hours with program 6, cotton's covered dry. Program 7, cotton's covered dry plus. Program 8, cotton's extra dry. Program 9, time programs for 10. It ends at 2 minutes, it ends at 3 hours. So anyways, program 10, delicates. Program 1, wool refresh. Program 12, sportswear. Program 13, shirts at 30 minutes. Program 14, freshen up. Takes 10 minutes to freshen it. Program 15, bedding. Program 16, shirts. Program 1, day jeans. Program 2, daily. Program 3, synthetic sign dry. Program 4, synthetic cover dry. Cotton's iron dry at 5 minutes. Cotton's covered dry 6. Program 6. So good, you. Program 9. What are you doing at program 9? It starts at 5 minutes and ends at 6 minutes and continues on. It delays on the day on 21 hours. Anyways, yeah, bus to cancel. So hold for 3 seconds to child lock. Anyways, so look at the filter. So we'll do a filter. So it will clean. Anyway, this is the condenser. This is the water. It has more. Water. So now go down to condenser. Clean the filter after each use. Clean the filter after every 5 use. Anyways, you must push this button to open. You must press this button to open. Anyways, so this is like a Becco, Grundig, and maybe about Archwick. Anyways. Thank you. Fuck you.